Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to break into the insurance game, you've probably heard that all roads lead to Texas, specifically Dallas. This city isn't just about football and BBQ, it is effectively the Silicon Valley of insurance adjusting. Major firms have their headquarters here, and when a storm hits anywhere in the US, the command centers often light up in DFW. In this video, we are transforming a guide from the Texas Insurance Training Academy into a step-by-step roadmap for your career. We're going to cover everything from Xactimate mastery to the specific benefits of training in person right here in Dallas. Let's address the elephant in the room, online licensing mills. It is incredibly easy to find a course online that guarantees you'll pass the Texas All Lines exam, and you will. But here's the brutal truth that veterans know. A license does not teach you how to adjust a claim. We call adjusters who only have book knowledge paper tigers. They look great on paper, but when they step onto a hail-damaged roof for the first time, they freeze. They don't know how to identify wind lift versus mechanical damage or how to explain coverage to a weeping homeowner. This is why the industry is shifting back toward hands-on brick-and-mortar training. So what does hands-on actually mean in Dallas? It means you aren't just reading about a roof, you are climbing one. Top-tier academies in Dallas simulate field environments. You will be physically inspecting materials, measuring rooms with laser tape, and identifying mock damage. This builds muscle memory. When you are deployed to a catastrophe site, what we call a CAT deployment, you will be working 14-hour days. You don't have time to second-guess your measurements. Hands-on training ensures that the physical mechanics of the job are second nature before you ever leave the classroom. Now, let's talk about the most critical tool in your arsenal, Xactimate. This is the software standard for the industry. If you can't use Xactimate, you cannot work, period. Many online courses give you a light overview, but in-person Dallas training dives deep. We are talking about sketch proficiency, line item entry, and macro creation. Expert enrichment note here. Aim for level 2 certification proficiency. Level 1 is basics. Level 2 is where the money is made because it proves you can handle complex losses like fire and water damage, not just simple roof claims. Speed in this software equals higher income, as independent adjusters are paid per claim closed. You might be wondering, why Texas? I live in Ohio. Here is the secret weapon, the Texas All Lines Adjuster License. It is arguably the most valuable license in the nation because of reciprocity. Texas has high standards, so roughly 30 other states accept the Texas license as their own. If you get licensed here, you are effectively unlocking the ability to work across most of the country. Training in Dallas ensures your curriculum is perfectly aligned with these rigorous Texas Department of Insurance standards, giving you a golden ticket for nationwide deployment. Here is something a blog post can't fully convey, the power of the handshake. The insurance industry is surprisingly small. When you attend a hands-on academy in Dallas, your instructors are often working adjusters or former hiring managers. The person sitting next to you might be your partner on a hurricane deployment next year. In-person training is a 2-week job interview. If you show up early, dress professionally, and ask smart questions, you are building a reputation before you even get your license. We've seen countless students get recruited directly out of the classroom because a firm manager stopped by to guest lecture. Let's walk through a typical day in a Dallas hands-on course. You start the morning with policy interpretation, learning the difference between an HO3 and an HO5 policy. By the afternoon, you are in the lab. You might be presented with a mock water damage scenario where you have to decide, can this floor be dried out or does it need to be replaced? You take your photos, you write your scope notes, and then you go back to the desk to write the estimate. This scope to estimate workflow is exactly what you will do in the field. Breaking that cycle effectively is what separates the rookies from the pros. Adjusting isn't just about math and shingles, it's about people. You often meet policyholders on the worst day of their lives. A huge component of comprehensive Dallas training is soft skills. How do you deny a claim without causing a conflict? How do you explain depreciation to an angry homeowner? In a live classroom, you role play these difficult conversations. You get feedback on your body language and your tone. You cannot learn empathy and conflict resolution from a PDF. This mentorship is crucial for longevity in the career because burnout often comes from the stress of dealing with people, not the work itself. To wrap this up, if you are serious about this career, treat your training like an investment, not a checkbox. Online courses are fine for renewals, but for your foundation, you need to get your hands dirty. Look for Dallas academies that offer the trifecta: the all lines license, Xactimate level 2 training, and practical field scoping. Check the reviews and see if their graduates are actually working. The market is hungry for prepared professional adjusters, not just licensed ones. If you're ready to start your journey, I've linked the Texas Insurance Training Academy and a few other top-rated Dallas resources in the description below. Do me a favor, if you found value in this deep dive, hit that like button and subscribe. We release new career guides every week to help you escape the 9 to 5 grind. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.